Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Today we're going to take a look at this. I want to try this thing out. It's the Craftsman B210 2-cycle. It's 25 cc's, says it blows up to 430 CFM. And as you can see, we got a little bit of a deal on it. We picked this up last fall, or last spring I should say, after it went on clearance. Regular price on it at the time was $109. No idea with inflation what they might go for now. But if you can catch these things end of season, you can sometimes get a really good deal. And we did. And I'm excited to try this thing out. We have a Husqvarna backpack blower. And we're going to add this to the fleet so that we can both be blowing the leaves. Because with 6 acres and a lot of trees, you can imagine that leads to a lot of leaves. So let's go ahead and unbox it. We'll put some gas in it and try it out. And I don't know how much installation or assembly is required, but it did come in a fairly small box. All right, here's the main unit here. Looks like an interesting way to make sure the stuff doesn't get lost. And Craftsman, of course. Trigger here. On-off switch there, and that's nice. It toggles to off, but will return to on, so you don't have to worry about which position it's in. Over here, our gas tank. It is allowed to use 10% ethanol carburetor, and it does have a primer bulb. It says to prime it 10 times, and then we have switches here for choke and run. And there's our throttle. Spark plug lives up here, so if we need to do maintenance on it, looks like it's fairly easy. It does have some startup stuff. Says press 10 times on the bleeder valve there. Squeeze the throttle, pull 5 times to start, warm it up, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and set to run. The mix is 40 to 1 on this, 40 to 1. Now they recommend using hearing protection on this, I'm sure. However, I am already really deaf, so it's kind of too late for me anyway. We'll go ahead and assemble this. It looks like it just kind of snaps together if you wanted to have a more refined blowing. It doesn't want to snap, but I'll play with that later. Probably just needs a little bit of silicone to get it in there. And then it has cruise, that's cool. So you can hit the throttle and leave it wide open. A little easier on the hands long term. All right, well, a lot of leaves on the property. Let me put some gas in it. I guess we should take a look at the manual real quick. It looks like it's got a copyright of 2019, so this one's been out on the market for a little while. But I'm pretty sure all the important stuff is already listed here on the label. Oh, cool. Owner's manual, operator's manual. Even some tune-up information, so there is some good stuff in here. And it does look like it's bilingual at the very least. All right, let's put some gas in this thing and try it out. Oh, check it out. That's kind of nice. Comes with a packet of premix synthetic 2-stroke oil. So, yeah, to get you going in case you forgot it when you picked this thing up. Well, I've already got some mixed up, so let me go ahead and put it in, and I'll show you how well it works. I've got it out here. I'm going to go ahead. I've got a little bit of gas in it. We're going to hit this thing 10 times. Matter of fact, I'm going to hit it 15 because it's the first time it's ever had fuel in it. There we go. And we're going to try to start it. I've got it on start, so full choke. works. Actually, it's got a lot more power than the last one of these I owned was a Homelite. I think it was I don't remember what the model was, but it was a Homelite unit. It was from 1998. We used it for years, roughly the same size as this. I will say that apparently airflow technology seems to have improved because it did a pretty good job. Some of these piles here got pretty deep as I pushed it all out, and then I had to get it over this this berm here. But yeah, I'd say it did a fine job. Anyway, that's the Craftsman B210. It's available. We picked this one up at Lowe's. I assume they still sell this same exact model, although I doubt you'll get it for $10 this time of year. Till next time, my friends, take care.